vocabulary web development. In this presentation, I will explain the definition of web and the types, and then I will explain about the key terminology.
And last one, I'm Ergia Rifta, will explain advanced trends.
Okay, so let's get start.
Okay guys, my name is Muhammad Aikal Karim. I will explain about web development. What you can get in web development. You can get of definition of web development, and you can get relevant or viral case in web development, and you can get types of web development, key terminology or vocabulary, and then you can get brief explanation of web development workflow, and the last one you can get conclusion about web development. Web development material. The first one, web definition of web development. Web development is the process of creating, building, and maintaining website or web application that run on the internet. It includes aspects such as web design, coding, database management, and server configuration. Types of web development refers to the different area or category involved in building and maintaining website or web application. Each type focuses on a specific part of how a website works and look. And the last one, key terminology or vocabulary. Website is a collection of related web page. Web page is a single page on a website. Domain is the address of website. And the last one, hosting, is a service that stores website files. So, web development is the process of creating, building, and maintaining website or web application that run on the internet. Three important elements in a web development system. Number one, front-end development. Front-end development is the part of a website that users see and interact with directly. It includes the layout, design, button, text, and overall appearance of a website. Technologies commonly used are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or JS. Back-end development. A program or application that provide instruction to the hardware. Example, operating system, application, messaging, and online games, web browser. The last one, database. A database is a system used to store, manage, and retrieve data. Example of data include user account, password, and website content. Common database system include MySQL and MongoDB.
Okay, I'm Raful Putrawijaya, and I will explain about the key terminology or vocabulary. What is a basic terms? The first, website is a collection of related web pages. Second, web page is a single page on a website. Third, domain is the address of website or e.g example.com. And the last, hosting is service that stores website files. What is a development terms? The first is HTML, is a structure the content of web page. Second, CSS is styles and layout the web page. The last is a JavaScript, is adds interactivity. Okay, terminology or vocabulary. What is the technical terms? The first is server. Server is provides data to users. Second is client. Client is user browser. Third, browser. Browser is software to access the web. Example, Chrome and Edge. The last, HTTP or HTTPS is a protocol for communication. What is a backend and data terms? The first is server. Server provide data to user, and then client user browser. The third, browser, is software to access the web. And last, HTTP or HTTPS protocol for communication. What is a backend and data terms? The first database. Database is stores website data. The second is API. Allows communication between system. The last CRUD. Read, update, and delete operation. What is a UI UX terms? The first UI is a visual element of a website. And second UX or user experience. And the last responsive design is adapt to different device. So this is the material of K terminology. I hope you all understand.
Okay, I am Irgi Adadifta and material advanced terms. Framework tools to simplify development, React, Laravel, library, reusable code, version control, track code change. Development, publishing a website online. Brief explanation of web development workflow. Planning, define purpose and structure, design, create UI or UX. Development, write code and front end and back end. Testing, fix bug and errors. Development, launch website, maintenance, update and improve. Relevant and viral case in web development. Case Facebook and Cambridge analysa data scandal. The Facebook Cambridge Analysa scandal became one of the most viral and controversial cases related to web application. What happened? A third party app collected personal data from millions of Facebook users. The data was used without proper consent for political advertising. Why it matters in web development? Highlight the importance of data privacy and security. Show risk of poorly managed API is and permissions. Emphasize ethical responsibility in handling user data. Impact global awareness of data protection, stricter regulation like GDPR, increase focus on secure web development practice. Conclusion: web development is a crucial field in the digital era, involving both technical skill and ethical responsibility. Understanding its types, terminology, and real-world issues help developers build effective and secure web application. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you. Okay, guys, thank you for your attention about the presentation of material web development, and I hope you can get understand of the material. So, thank you guys.
See you.